So this is the final result after putting in a lot of work on doing maintenance on this palm tree. This is how the palm tree was looking before pruning was carried out on the palm tree. It was looking very rough and unkept. Kindly watch this video to the end for you to see the outcome of the pruning that was carried out on this palm tree. So this was the second stage of the pruning that I did on this palm tree. So you can see I just finished cutting down the palm front and the grasses that was surrounding the palm. So keep watching the video to the end for you to see the final result of the pruning and the general maintenance that I did on this palm tree. It actually took me close to, I think, 45 minutes to complete the process. So this is the final result after putting in a lot of work on doing maintenance on this palm tree. So as you can see, what I did to this palm is thorough pruning and maintenance. Actually put in a lot of work before this result was achieved. I think the time it took me to complete this pruning and general maintenance I did on this palm was up to 45 minutes. Final results after thorough pruning on this palm tree using palm fruit cutter. You can rate me and drop your feedback on my comment section. Final results of after. Share the video. Palm. Do well to share the video. Comment, like, so that others can as well see the video on their timeline. So I'm looking forward to your feedback on my comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.